Hi everyone, Namaste all. Welcome to ServiceNow India. Today we are exploring a super useful but often ignored feature in ServiceNow. It's called Syntax Editor Macro. If you're someone who writes business rules, client scripts, script includes, or any kind of script inside ServiceNow, then trust me, this video is going to save you a lot of time and headaches. Let's get started. Syntax editor macros are small shortcut keywords that automatically expand into predefined code blocks inside ServiceNow script editor. Think of them as your own code templates ready to insert with a single keyword plus tab. For example, the syntax editor macro keyword is gr and you can plus tab, it auto generates a glide record template. These shortcuts save time, maintain consistency, and help eliminating repetitive typing. And why should we use this syntax editor macros? They speed up your development, like writing the code in a faster way, and ensure coding standards, and which reduce majorly the human error and removes the repetitive typing, as we know that, and helps new developers can learn quickly regarding writing the script part, and encourages clean and structured code. Imagine if you're typing glide record queries 20 times a day, a macro can reduce that to 1 second action. Okay, where you can use the syntax editor macros, like pretty much anywhere in service now, like where the script editor appears. Like generally, we use it in business rules. Script includes client scripts, UI scripts, fixed scripts, background scripts, widgets, along with flow designer and script actions. If a script field is in ServiceNow editor, then macro will work anywhere. Okay, and we have some advanced options where in the business rules, if you click on advanced option, it will show you the script editor, but window where you can input the script, and the syntax editor macros will work also there. Okay, and default ServiceNow macros we have in ServiceNow instance, like you glide record, like it shows some basic glide record template. If you type if plus tab, it shows like default if condition block, and for I, it shows like standard for loop, while and try. Like you can try all of them simply by typing the keyword and pressing tab. The keywords are like if, you underscore glide record, while, tab, try tab. Okay, how to create your own custom macro? Let's walk through the steps. Okay, let me open the PDI. Click on filter navigator. Like as I said there, to create the custom syntax editor macro, we need to go through something called as syntax editor macros. Under system definition, we have the syntax editor macros application module. Click on this one. Like these are the existing editor macros in ServiceNow instance. Let me open any one. Like I'm opening this vargr. If you see, the name editor macro is vargr, and the text is some sample text of GlideRecord script. If I type vargr and tab, then it will populate this script automatically for time saving purpose. Let's try to create our custom editor macro. Click on new button and give the suitable name which is not repeated with the existing editor macros. I'll just give something editor macro name called INC GR. This is my editor macro name. Provides glide record script. In the brackets I just mentioned sample for incident table. Okay, let's type the text here, the script you want to input in this editor macro. Just type var inc equal to new glide record. In the brackets mention the incident table name, inc dot add query, inc dot query, while inc dot next. That's it. I need this script. When I type this editor macro and tab it, this script should populate. Okay, then click on submit. Then check this editor macro anywhere. Like I'll go through with background scripts, type scripts background, and then type the editor macro name here, like incgr tab. You will see the script automatically populates in your background script editor. Okay. We have the like pre-populated one. Let me open the pre-populated one. Click on filter navigator. Like I'll make this duplicate. Go for syntax editor macros. And we have var gr here. Like info we have, like we have for here. Let's check regarding the existing ones. The first one is var gr and we'll go for info. Okay. Var gr tab, you'll see the GlideRecord script has been populated, which is already defaultly there in the system. And they'll go for new, like info we have. If I type info, if I press tab, then automatically we'll get something called as gs.add_info message. By this way, we can save our time majorly while writing the scripts regarding with GlideRecord queries or anything it may be. I'm just giving some example for the GlideRecord. Okay. All right, everyone. That's it for today's video on syntax editor macros in ServiceNow. Like these are small shortcuts, might look simple, but they can massively boost your productivity and improve your coding consistency. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.